Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must start now by clarifying prerequisites, honest recognition, and a reliable accountability partner. Once you identify triggers, remove or limit exposure immediately and schedule a specific replacement habit. You should write down when, where, and what you will do instead. This reduces decision fatigue. Make the first change small so it is repeatable. Small wins build momentum. Also establish short check-ins with your partner. That social pressure and support keep you honest while you begin shifting patterns. Now you move into steady practice. Tie the new behavior to a daily anchor, after breakfast, before bed, or at commute start, so it becomes automatic. You should use concrete prompts like alarms, sticky notes, or repositioned objects to interrupt the old loop. Once done, track occurrences in a simple log and review weekly to spot patterns. If slips happen, change one variable immediately. Make sure to reward progress with small, healthy reinforcements so motivation remains visible and sustainable. You finish by consolidating gains. Progressively increase the challenge of the replacement behavior and test it in harder contexts. Once done, rehearse concrete responses for high-risk moments so you don't rely on willpower alone. Practice those scripts out loud. If a relapse occurs, treat it as data. Analyze what failed and re-engineer the environment immediately, then re-engage accountability. Make sure to celebrate regain streaks and promptly adjust plans to prevent the same trigger from winning next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.